If you want to create an event on Instagram post, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we create an event on our Instagram post in just few simple steps. Just make sure to watch till the end. An event on an Instagram post refers to a shareable, interactive feature that allows businesses and creators to promote and manage upcoming events directly on their Instagram profile. Users can create, share, and invite followers to events, with details like date, time, location, and ticket information. It helps increase engagement and provides a seamless way to manage event promotions within the Instagram platform. First, go to Instagram and tap on this plus icon to upload a picture. Once done, do your further settings of your post and press on Next. Then here, tap on More Options. At first, tap on Add Reminder. Type your reminder name and select the starting time. Also can add ending time if you want. Otherwise, press on this tick icon. Go back and share your post. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.